Hello, my name is Dong. Today I will tell you about the item. In my workshop, I have a tool in Python. The tool in our workshop, there's several problems that need to be solved. The fly and the headsaw are missing, so we need to purchase new one. Program is pan and should be taken away from the wood house. The hammer is worn down and must be replaced. The socket plan is wrong side, so we'll have to exchange it. The reference are stretched and needs to be purchased. Final, the screw and rusty and should be replaced. Then action the necessary to keep our tool in good condition and ensure safety and efficiency in the workshop. That's all about. Thanks for listening.